Okay, gang, the FANG stocks. All right. Remember the FANG stocks in 2013 contributed just 1% to the overall earnings of the S&P 500 stocks. And then they contributed just 3% to the overall dollar value. Well, that's a big difference today. We went from 1% to earnings contribution to 4.5%. That's humongous. But the dollar value or market cap went from 3% to 23%. And remember, they are now a quarter of all the remember, you got four stocks that are a quarter of the earnings of 500. They contribute a quarter. Just four stocks contribute a quarter of these 500 stocks together. If you add in Microsoft and Apple, it's even more powerful. Here's what I warned my gang. See how it turned red? The color-coded chart tells you when institutions are selling, pulling their money out. See, that's so we knew when to get out of these, right? As they started to pull red. Isn't that nice to know that? Oh, this chart here is what you need, okay? It tells you that. But what else is going to happen? You got all these people coming in who haven't been in the stock market in years. And this happened in 1987 crash, happened in dot-com crash, the housing crash. All these newbies come in, don't know what they're doing. They just can't stand it, and they come in right before the overall market crashes. That's what's going on now. It's a great signal for us because it tells us the crash is nearing. When they snap back, see how it came down and snap back here? Do not buy it until it takes out either this low or this low. And I'm talking about all the stocks. Facebook snapping back. Okay, Netflix, gotta wait till it takes out that low. Google, Amazon, look at all these. They're all doing the same thing. Microsoft, why are they so hateful? Apple, look at that. Apple, they're doing all that. Like they're hateful little stocks here. They're trying to suck you in. They're trying to suck you in. And then the minute you get in, they're gonna drop and go, oh my God, I should have went short. So that's what's going on. Also, another thing you should be doing right now is to buy STS. That's the inverted for the spiders. Instead of buying the spiders to sell short, okay, my members now, instead of buying spiders to sell short when it turns red, we're going to the opposite. We're doing an inverse, STS. And we're going to wait till this red line gets above yellow and gets above this line right here. All right, and then that should be in good position to go ahead and buy, because when the S&P starts breaking down, it's going to go fast. So I'm doing an inverse. I have to pay $17 as opposed to, $323. So SDS is a good thing for me because I don't have to pay much at all. Okay, SDS to do an inversion. So that's something you should consider. Also, join my gang because our gold stocks are doing fantastic. We caught them when nobody wanted them. But now we also have a group that's going to be what we call our opportunity group. Good time to join our gang, free for 10 days. Get the color-coded chart. See all these stocks, energy stocks, like all these energy stocks here, they're all coming off the bottom. See how they're coming off the bottom here? Okay, we're going to catch these just like we caught our gold. Our gold stocks, some of our gold stocks are up 118% because we caught them like we're going to catch these gold stocks. People are going to come in, and the big institutions will come back and start reversing out of the mining, out of the FANG stocks, and they're going to be looking for opportunity, and they start looking for beaten down sectors that are lagging behind. So why don't you join the gang, and we'll be catching this group. See it right here? And then the drillers, like Halliburton, and like rigs, see how it's starting to break out? And Valero, and MRO, which is a refiner, see how it's just turning green? See that? Okay. So, and service stocks right here. See that all green, just turned all green. See that? Nice. So anyway, so that's where we stand. Please pay attention to those FANG stocks. Don't get sucked in on those snapbacks. Remember the FANG stocks, as long as you may catch them, okay, on that low. Okay, you want to catch when they snap back, wait until they take that low out. See you on the charts. This is a perfect chart right here. This is how you want to short them right here. When this guy gets right here, and this line is well below 68, sell it short. See you on the charts.